yeah, so I'm on the bus, and I was just saying this would be a great place. Stumbled across this fantastic, beautiful natural arch spanning over this creek, just a few minutes away from Mount Victoria, and I was guided here by the constellation Venus and the information present in its plasma emanations entering my biosphere and leading me psychically to this region with the assurance that I would find another Yowie, because I no longer have access to Kirsty. However, that seems like bullshit, because I've been walking for 10 minutes, no longer, 15 minutes now, and I haven't found a Yowie. So, you know, oh wow, that's cool. I can see a Yabby climbing down a waterfall. Check this out. Wait, I'm not going to be able to get there, it's too dodgy. Oh yeah, I can get there. Whoa, slippery tree. Big old red boy. Check him out. Big old red boy. Oh, I love Yowie hunting. Oh, this is sketchy. I'm gonna get my feet wet. Fuck it. I mean, sorry for swearing. So, check out this boy. Now, I would like to believe that this is actually a Yowie. So I imagine that the planetary emanations of cosmic intelligence beamed to me at 3 in the morning from the planet Venus, guiding me psychically to come here and find a Yowie. I mean, it's just logic, really. Was correct. I redact my skepticism. This is the Yowie. So this probably was a huge, smelly, hairy, kind of half ape, half human like creature, crouching, listening to me talk to my camera, and it's gone into fight or flight. It has the ability to sort of manipulate its own plasma, its own emanations, and it has decided to take the shape of an enormous crayfish, because that would be the most suitable and camouflage way of blending into the environment, because it knows I was about to stumble across it. Tell me how it could be otherwise. You tell me. So I believe that what we're looking at, guys, is not a Yabby. Could I get closer? It's very slippery. I'm sure I'll be right. Oh god. Oh me knees, oh me knees. Alright. Hey boy. Probably a girl, really. Is its tail curled up? I don't know if it's got eggs or not. I don't need to pick it up. It's a very attractive looking specimen though. Fantastic. Now if your fingers ended up in one of those claws, I'm just going to touch its little feelers there. Okay. That might hurt. Beautiful. Alright, so no point dwelling on this wonderful creature. It's got business to do. Let's try and escape out of this system. Do I go back the way I came? It's a classic thing when you're yowie hunting.